Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about parallel, the plane and the point. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find an equation of the plane that is parallel of this plane in here and contains the point 4, 6, 8. So now I will show you how to answer. For example, we have the plane in here, and this is about the normal vector of this plane. Because this plane in here is parallel of this plane in here. For example, like this, so the normal vector they should be the same. So the plane B will have about 4x, x plus 8y minus 9z, and we have d in here. Because on the plane B they contain the point 4, 6, 8. For example, I will put about C in here. To calculate about D in here, we just put the value 4, 6, 8 go in here. So we can find the value of D. So, and we can get the final answer. So we calculate about this one, and we have negative number 20 plus d equals to number 0. Now I will put negative number 20 go in here, and we have number 20, and now we can write the answer of the we can write about the plane B in here. That should be about x plus 8y minus 9z plus 20 equals to number 0, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.